I have this pressed glitter eyeshadow palette. Not eyeshadow, but glitter, you know, but it's still palette, so, and it's for your eyes, so. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for joining me yet in another video. Welcome if you're new. Remember to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you guys can get notified when I upload. And if you've been here before but you're not subscribed yet, why are you not subscribed yet? So as you guys saw on my intro, I am not wearing the same thing. I had recorded the video already, but I had missed some items, so I had to record all over again. But I kept my intro because I liked it. Anywho, let's go ahead and get started. So of course I'm gonna start with my lashes. I have these lashes in corset. These are from the company Kiss products. I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of it. Their glue is really good as well, so I use their lash adhesive, so I really recommend this one. So these are in style corset. I also have another pair in little black dress. I do not have them with me because I forgot them in my car. These lashes retail single not more than $10, and if you buy them in a pack, I think in a pack of 5, they cost you $15. So moving on, I have these BeBella Cosmetics lashes. These are really cute. These are in style natural. As you guys can see, these are really pretty. So these, I bought them for $15. These are a little bit more pricey. So BeBella is known to be like a dupe for Morphe. So if you guys want to go ahead and check them out, their link is going to be in my description box, like everything else that I'm going to be showing you guys today. So my next lashes are, so this company was the first company to reach out to me for me to promote their lashes. So I really thank them. And I absolutely love their lashes as well. So the company is Lyssa Lashes. I have the lashes in style Alley and in style Drea. I used to have them in style Liss, but I don't know where I placed the lashes. As you guys are gonna see, I also only have one lash from the pair Alley because sometimes I get home and I remove them and I supposedly leave them in a safe place in the counter. When I wake up, only one's there and I freak out. And yeah. So that was the style Alley. Now the style Drea. These are the style Drea. I really like these. These are really cute, comfortable to wear, of course. I do have a code for it, so if you guys want to go ahead and check out Lyssa Lashes, their link is going to be in my description box. And of course, you guys could use code CG15 at checkout to get money off your purchase. So next, lashes. So this company is called Lash Me Up. I have them in style Bella. Okay, next lashes. I have Dodo lashes in style D207. You guys could also go ahead and use my code CG Saldana at checkout to save some coin. Saving some coin is very important. Even if it's just 10 cents, 25 cents, girl. 25 cents complete a dollar. A dollar completes a 10 bill. A 10 bill completes a 20. And a 20 completes a 50. A 50 completes 100. You know what I'm trying to say here. So, my next lashes are these lashes in Eyelash. I don't know how to pronounce it. I haven't actually tried these lashes because as you guys can see, they look very, very subtle. And of course, I am a very subtle gal, but this is way too subtle for my taste. The next lashes that I have are... I'm sorry, but I just see my lizard on top of my... just climbed up there. Rex! What are you doing? The next lashes I have are from Lashaholic Luxury Lashes in style Instaglam. Again, like my previous lashes, I only have one. I am very bad with lashes, but I actually was so in love with these lashes. I actually just ordered another pair from Lashaholic because these lashes were everything to me. I think I would regularly use these. And I got these in my BoxyCharm, so I don't have a discount code for this one, but you guys can go ahead and check them out. These lashes are really cute. Next lashes, I have Lilly Lashes. I so died in my last video when I seen that BoxyCharm included Lilly Lashes, because Lilly Lashes are quite pricey, and I just wouldn't waste that much amount of money on lashes, you know. So I have these in style Gaia. At my understanding, I know that these were limited edition for BoxyCharm, so that is exciting. So moving to our lash books, I have the lash book from KDB Lashes. I have only tried 2 pairs so far because, as you guys can see, the lashes are a bit dramatic, and I'm actually wearing one in style Diablo today. Again, they're too dramatic for my taste, but I'm so happy and excited I got to try these lashes. My last lashes, I have 2 lash books from the same company plus another pair of extra lashes. Thank God I have not lost any of these lashes yet. So this is lash book style 1. If you guys want to go ahead and see how each lash looks on your eye, you guys can go ahead and check out the video that I have on my Instagram. I also have another video for the looks of the volume 2 lash book. Now, the single pair of lashes that I have from that company are in style Glamorous. I have been obsessed with these. They're different, but they're not so dramatic, so I really like these. You guys can go ahead and use my code as well for money off. I will leave it in my description box. So that was it for the lashes. Again, I don't have a lot, but I do have quite a few to choose from. So now with that said, let's go ahead and move on to our eyeshadows because I do have quite a bit of those. So let's go with loose powders first. I have this Steve Laurent loose powder eyeshadow. So I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't want to tilt it so much because I don't want it to fall. I actually got this in Ipsy. I don't purchase Ipsy anymore simply because I don't want to keep paying for samples. So I just move on straight to BoxyCharm. I have this loose powder from Naked Cosmetics. I got this one on Ipsy as well. I like the shade, but I don't really use loose powder, so it's like a little iridescent purple, pinkish. Don't know if you guys can see it. So next we have this, I don't know how to pronounce this company, loose pigment. So it's like a little bluish aqua loose pigment. This kind of looks like glitter, not loose powder. Now we're gonna move on to Colourpop. I had quite a few of their Super Shock shadows, but I gave some away, so now I'm stuck with 4. I have the shade Buzzin'. I have the shade Paradox, Monkey Business, Bow Down. So now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the eyeshadow palettes that I have collected with the subscription BoxyCharm. I have the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal eyeshadow palette. I'm telling you guys, BoxyCharm, you guys need it. The next eyeshadow palette that I have is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. I haven't even opened this one because I don't even think I'm gonna use it, you know, so like I'm just gonna give it away or something. So we also have the Element of Surprise by Colourpop eyeshadow palette. Next we have the Ace Beauty palette. Unfortunately, I kind of broke it, as you guys can see on the edge over there. Next I have the Pur Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade Face palette. This is half an eyeshadow palette, half a face palette. So I really like this palette, but I haven't even used it. So our next palette is the Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. We also have this Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow palette. We also have this Morphe 15N eyeshadow palette. Huge mirror. And the shades are just gorgeous. So that's it for my BoxyCharm. Now let's go ahead and finish off with the rest of my eyeshadow palettes. So I have this Milkshake matte eyeshadow collection palette from Face Candy. I purchased this off of Hush. This was actually my first review on YouTube. I have now deleted it. So let's go ahead and move on to Juvias Place. For Juvias, I have 3 eyeshadow palettes. I have the Masquerade Mini. I actually have a video reviewing this palette with its fake version palette. So if you guys want to go ahead and check that out, it will be linked in my description box. I also have the Magic Mini palette. And last but not least, I have the Zulu by Juvias palette. Not sure if you guys have heard of the company Docolor. but I have their Enchanted eyeshadow palette. It did come with a brush, so that's why there's this empty space here. So now let's move on to BH Cosmetics. For BH Cosmetics, I have the BH Weekend Festival eyeshadow palette. The pigmentation in their palettes is really good for the price. So that's what I really enjoy on BH Cosmetics, as well as their brushes. They're really affordable, and I like how on their page they always have they're always having sales, so that is really helpful. I also have Take Me Back to Brazil. So I also have their Carli collab Deluxe edition palette. I mainly use this palette for its highlights. The next palette I have, I kind of regret purchasing this palette. It is by the company Mannerisms, if you guys have not heard of this company. I really don't use this palette. Let's move on to Morphe. I own their 35B eyeshadow palette. I own their 35F eyeshadow palette. I actually got this as a gift, so I'm not an eyeshadow palette, but it is a palette. So I own the Morphe Babe in Paradise highlighting palette. It's brand, come on. I also own the Jaclyn Hill palette, the very first one that she released with Morphe. It's very used. This is, I think, my go-to palette. Like, out of all the palettes that I own, this is my go-to. So of course, I own the Jaclyn Hill Vote collection. I do have a double of one of the eyeshadow palettes because if you guys have seen my past videos, someone broke one of my palettes. So he was kind enough to get me the other one. Not the other one, but like, you know. Okay, last but not least, I have the Morphe Dare to Create palette. I was not able to get it when they first released it, but I think they recently brought it back. So I like using this eyeshadow palette because you can go ahead and use it as contour. So, and that is it for my eyeshadow palettes. I do have some palettes on the way because I have ordered them because I have problems and I order way too much eyeshadow palettes, even though I already have way too many to choose from. If you guys want to go ahead and see anything else from me, go ahead and drop a comment in the comment section and let me know. So with that said, thank you guys for joining me. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to hit the subscribe button and the little bell so you guys can get notified when I upload, of course, and drop a like. Yeah, that'd be it, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Girl, these lashes are too much for me. Like, they're too much. Like, okay, I'm finished. Goodbye. I'm out. Goodbye.